Mozilla is giving Firefox users a new level of control over AI. In the upcoming Firefox 148 release, you'll finally be able to block all generative AI features in the browser with a single toggle. No pop-ups, no suggestions, no reminders. This isn't a simple on-off toggle. Firefox is adding a dedicated AI controls section where you can block all AI features with a single switch or manage them individually, from translations and AI tab grouping to PDF alt text and link previews. The sidebar chatbot, which can connect to ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot, Gemini, and Mistral, will also disappear entirely if AI enhancements are blocked. Mozilla says AI should be optional, not forced. The new controls let users disable all AI features or keep only the ones they find useful. As other browsers push AI deeper into the experience, Firefox's full kill switch stands out as a win for user choice, privacy, and control, especially for those who find AI tools intrusive or distracting.